Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 North Wynd in Colinsburgh. This is a spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace family home. You've got really great sized living here. You've got a super sized lounge, dual aspect windows, so it's lovely and light inside. You've got a nice sized dining kitchen, good sized family bathroom, 3 really good sized double bedrooms. You've got garden area to the front and a lovely enclosed garden to the rear that has a summer house in it that currently occupies a hot tub. Obviously you could use it for various reasons. This is in a great location and I cannot wait to take you on the tour of this one. So this is the property here. So as you can see, it comes from here and goes along to the pen. You've got a shared pen there, which is fantastic for your bin access. And this is your property here. So I'm just going to take you on the tour. So you've got this lovely low maintenance area to the front. Lots of space in here. You can have a really nice seating arrangement in here as well. You can see there. It's a decent size, isn't it? And then we're going to head on into the property. So as soon as we come in, you can see it's a nice size entrance hallway. You've got really good space under the stairwell as well. So current homeowners, you could easily put a little office space under there, which they have, but it's a great area as well, just for the children's playthings, etc. as well. We're going to start upstairs, so again you can see you've got all this lovely lighting. You've got this window here which makes it really nice and bright, and it curves around to, again, storage here. You can see plenty of space with this one. At the top of the stairs you've also got this large cupboard, again great storage. We're going to head into bedroom number 1. So great size double, as you can see. Really long, lovely and bright. This one faces the front of the property. As you can see, good sized rooms, aren't they? You've got freestanding here as well. You could easily build in ceiling to floor cabinetry there if you wished, because it really is quite a long room. If I close that door and come back here, you get a feeling for just the sheer length of the room. It's a good sized space, isn't it? And that's bedroom number 1. We're going to head back out, and as we go back out into the hallway, you can just see how lovely and open that is. It's nice and bright, isn't it? Really spacious. Bedroom number 2, again, a great size double. Lots of freestanding furniture in here. So again, you can see the space that you have. It's a great size double, isn't it? This one overlooks the rear garden. So again, just to give you a little sneak peek. Doesn't that look lovely? You see those nice countryside views as well. But as I say, it's a good size double. This is freestanding too, so again, you've got all that space there as well as over here. But a really good sized room. We're going to head back out into the hallway, and then straight ahead is bedroom number 3. So it's your 3rd double, currently a nursery. But again, a really good size space. Plenty freestanding again, so you can see you've got that space to do so. And you've got lovely countryside views across there as well, which are nice. It's a good sized room. And that is bedroom number 3. You can also see you've got your attic hatch here as well, so access to your attic space. And you've got your family bathroom straight ahead. So again, nice sized family bathroom. You've got your WC, your sink, you've got your bath with your electric shower as well. But a good sized family bathroom, nice and bright, lovely and light. And that's your upstairs. Again, we're going to head on downstairs. And just as I said earlier, how bright it is here as well. It just feels lovely, doesn't it? But it's quite a spacious hallway when you come in. So just having that extra space under there as well makes it really flexible. So we've got your lounge straight ahead. This is a good sized room. It's the full length of the house. It's a great lounge. Lovely space, isn't it? So bright as well with that dual aspect window, so overlooking the front and also the rear garden. But if I stand here, you can see just the sheer length of it. You've also got this media wall as well, which is a nice bonus. But it's a good sized room. Again, it overlooks the garden, which is lovely. You've got all this area for storage. Your media wall, as I said. And these are large sofas, and there's still plenty of space in here. But it's a good sized room, isn't it? Really flexible living. From here we're going to head into the kitchen, and in the kitchen you've got room for a dining table too, which is a big plus because you're not needing then to use any of that living space. So it's a good sized kitchen, isn't it? So you can see there you've got room for your dining table. You've got your integrated appliances, so you have your oven, your hob and your extractor above, but you've got plenty of space for your freestandings as well, and also under here. But lots of cabinetry. Again, nice and bright because you've got the window and you've got the glass for the door. It's a good space, isn't it? So we're going to head on outside into the garden. And the garden's just so peaceful. It's lovely. It's a nice space, isn't it? So you've got access here. So you've got access to your gate for, again, going through the pen for your bin access. But a really nice garden. Lovely and enclosed, isn't it? So tranquil. All you can hear is the birds. It's really nice. So I'm going to show you the summer house. You've got access here as well, so there's storage behind that gate. But this garden room is really something special. Again, you've got storage in here as well, so there's like a little shed area in there. And you can see currently it's got a hot tub in it. You could change that up, of course you could. This could be a kind of social space. You can make it as a cinema room, perhaps a home office as well. If you're working at home, you don't want to use any of the house. But a really flexible space, isn't it? And also in there you have storage and also a workshop area. So it's really quite deceiving. But it's a great addition to the house, isn't it? This would be fabulous. It's a home office space or an entertainment space. Great cinema room for the kids as well, wouldn't it? And again, from here, you can see you've got your nice patio area here for your seating. And you get the sun most of the day. And that's the property to the rear, as you can see. But it's a great space, isn't it? The garden's lovely. So peaceful. I'll just show you the garden again from this angle. Isn't it lovely? Really peaceful. So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for 7 North Wynd in Colinsburgh. You've got that great garden room as well. So you've got your 3 bedrooms, your mid-terrace, you've got a good sized lounge, dual aspect windows, lots of space. You've got dining kitchen, you've got a family bathroom, really good space. You've got that garden area to the front as well, where you could easily put a nice seating arrangement, but you've got this beautiful enclosed garden as well. And that garden room, really flexible additional room that you have with the property, isn't it? This is a personal property tour. If you're interested, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. The all-important price point is in this post, as is the link to the property. But location-wise, just to tell you a little bit about that, you couldn't be in a better spot. You're within walking distance of Colinsburgh Primary School. You're a short drive, just a few miles, and you're at Dunbarney Links Golf Club. Again, you're on to Elie. Again, that's only maybe about 5-6 minutes away. Then onwards to St Monans, and then all the way along that lovely East Neuk. So you've got your Fife Coastal Path, you've got all those lovely beaches and harbours, the cold water swimming. It's in such a great location. You've got lots of cycling and countryside walks too. So really village life, offering everything else on your doorstep. So great place to bring up a family. As I say, if you're interested, you can message me here directly, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.